Well, guess who's back with another How to Be Gooder at Combat Warriors series. Today is How to Be Gooder at Chainsaw. If you want to be the Giga Chainsaw user, you have to kill the bow users. You're the only one that can save Combat Warriors. And anyone that protects the bow users. This job is super stressful, but you have to stick with it because I said so. Let's get into the basics. Set FOV to 90 and zoom in a little. This helps with not missing a lot because of the short range. I forgot to turn that off. This sounds hard, but it's easy because of the siphon for health and energy. Meaning you can get hit a little, but you are doing too much damage that it won't even matter plus energy, so you're a juggernaut basically. Let me show you with these steamers that are grouped up. I'll show more clips. Now that I showed you that chainsaw is better in groups, it's good for when people are low too. Example, this poor soul. Okay, the only thing you need to know is chainsaw dash and bowbot equals their worst nightmare. Just watch if you don't get it. Plus random people. You thought this was the end? Womp womp, watch me destroy people.